He got his food. Oh, hey. Family. She will like this one. Oh, wait. She just started it.
And we open the door and they run over this way.
This one for the... Oh. I think that was one little bit. Oh. Throw that in.
Okay, I'll throw it in. Okay. Dolce?
Yeah. Oh, she just got my hat.
Whoa.
She just placed it. She just then the last one for Ivy.
Yep, for Mama Ivy.
Yep. I didn't say Holly's at the vet.
Yep, he is at the vet.
But now, hold up. What's it done?
Ivy?
And then the Ivy's in.
Okay, go give it to Ivy.
That's all. Oh, I'm not going that way.
Okay. Fiddles. Oh, here's Kevin.